Ever had hiccups at the worst possible moment? So annoying, right? Well, blame your diaphragm. This muscle suddenly spasms, forcing air into your lungs and slamming your vocal cords shut, causing that classic hic sound. But why does it happen? Eating too fast, carbonated drinks, or even a sudden temperature change can trigger it. Some scientists think hiccups are an ancient reflex, possibly linked to the way amphibians gulp air and water. Most hiccups go away on their own, but if they last for days, it could be a medical issue. So next time, just ride it out.